This is why I'm so grateful for where I'm at in my life, is because what? It works. It works. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's my first time sitting down talking one-on-one with y'all. I knew I wanted to make one of these videos as soon as possible because tomorrow is the new year. I'm gonna break it down into maybe 4 things that I think would really aid you in manifesting the life you want in the upcoming year. So let's jump right into it. We're not gonna do too much chit-chatting. First thing I have on my list is to be intentional, make a decision. Now stop moving with fear. Understand that manifestation is a process. You wanting to learn about manifesting, you wanting to strengthen your manifestation skills by even clicking on this video, just goes to show that you already made the decision to want better for yourself. Knowing how and when to make a decision is an important skill in manifesting, and it's an important skill in success. Set goals for yourself, because making a decision is creating that vision. It does not matter how big or how small your vision is. When I started to manifest the life that I have now in maybe, I don't know, 2020, I had no idea. It was at the beginning of COVID, you know, people weren't working, no one was working. In a real funk because I didn't know what I want to do. I realized during COVID I didn't want to be in the field I was in. I didn't want to be in the career that I was in. However, I made the decision that what I'm going through right now in that time period is not going to be how I'm going to be in the future. I made that decision. It's only a season. Know that. Once you have a clear vision and a clear decision, everything will trickle down to one question. And that's, does this move me closer to who I'm meant to be or further away? That comes to any career, any job, any relationship, any friendship. It helps focus your energy. It clarifies your goals. You are literally aligning yourself with that path. Be intentional. Who are you doing it for? Why are you doing it? Do not spend too much time going back and forth of shoulda, coulda, wouldas. Make a decision, make it clear, make it plain, and go for it. Okay, and then the next thing I want to touch on, which I think is really important, is your energy. You need to hold your energy as if it is sacred. No one can tamper with your energy. Protect it, hold it. My energy is very sensitive, okay? It's because I'm emotional. It's because I'm very intuitive. My energy very sacred to me. I don't just let anybody affect my energy, and if it does, I walk away. I dismiss myself. You don't realize that the outcomes, the people, the experiences that you attract, all are based on your vibrational frequency. As they keep thinking to themselves, oh my god, why do I keep attracting the same type of people, the same type of friends, the same type of relationship? It's like I keep going into this cycle. Ask yourself why instead of how can I change that? Let's tap into your higher self. You can change yourself a lot better than you can change other people. One thing that I did realize in the past, and this is a transparent moment for me because I was somebody that felt like I kept attracting the same type of man. I kept attracting the same type of person, and I would always often ask myself, why do I keep attracting this certain person? I know I radiate light, and love, and why would people ever do this to me, in a sense. I had to be real with myself and understand that, okay, there's something that I'm not doing. There's something that I'm lacking. There's a reason why these people keep feeling comfortable to come around my energy. Nobody's going to go into an environment that don't feel comfortable. Think about that. That man is coming over to you because he feels like he can be comfortable being on that negative vibration. Okay, he feels comfortable that I can be on this vibration with her. Emotionally or mentally or energetically, you're on that same vibration. You are allowing too much. You aren't placing those boundaries when it comes to your energy. You're not holding your energy sacred. You're not protecting your energy. You're letting people take your energy and use it the way they want to. And when that happens, you get into this cycle of repeating the same thing. Start being the energy you want to attract, and I promise you, you will start attract people on that same vibration. Like me starting this YouTube, I want to attract people that want to do the same exact thing as me, that want to, you know, content create and, you know, spread love and positivity to the world. Or I'm someone that's like that, and I want to attract people that are on the same wavelength as me, because I feel like I can walk more in my purpose. And you being on a certain vibration for so long in your life, that's a learned behavior. So it's going to be a learned behavior to get out of that energy to increase your frequency. If you're someone that complains a lot, work on being grateful more. If you're someone that procrastinates, focus on prioritizing what matters to you. If you're not the best at saving money, educate yourself on financial literacy. There's blocks. There's going to be hurdles. There's going to be obstacles. There's going to be days where you wake up and you feel like this is the best it's going to get. You may limit yourself mentally and emotionally, not realizing you're limiting yourself. And keep knowing. I don't want to say believe too much, because we're not believing around here. We knowing. We're knowing where we're going. How can you shift your energy? How can I be more? How can I walk more in my purpose? How can I be the light that I need in order to become the person that I envision myself to be? The third thing I have written down, and this one has to be by far my favorite. This has helped me so much, not realizing I was manifesting, y'all. Y'all have to understand, I did not realize I was doing this. You need to write it down. You need to visualize it, okay? Put my wine down for this one. You need to write it down. You need to visualize it. This is my journal. One of my journal. On the last page of my journal, and it's about to be 2024. How exciting is that? Front to back, I play no games. I write it down. And after I write it down, I visualize it. I kid you not, that is the best thing you can do for yourself when manifesting. Best thing. Honestly, visualizing is just as important, but writing it down, y'all, child. And one of the key things that I did with writing was, writing is if I already experienced it. I wrote it as if I already had it. If I already felt it. If I already was walking in, like I was already living that. If you were to read my book now, I would be able to convince you that what I was going through at that time period was very much real. It will be. You need to talk as if it is. Seeing what you want your life to look like on paper literally trains your mind to believe that it can happen. You are manipulating your subconscious to believe that it can happen. A great way to practice mindfulness. I want to disregard the days where you don't feel like that, where you don't feel so high vibrational. The days where you don't want to get out of bed, those days are normal. I still write. You're being mindful that what you're feeling right now, yes, it's bad and it seems bad and it feels bad. However, we are still walking in our purpose. We are still moving towards the goals that we place. We are going to achieve everything we desire. When you're writing, be as descriptive as possible. All the way down to the day, the hour, the minute, the second, it don't matter. The universe is like an algorithm. You need to say key words and key things that get you on that algorithm of success. I told y'all I was going to show y'all proof. I cringe when I read something again, so I'm probably going to cringe here now. And let me just say, when I stumbled across this page, it was by accident. One day I opened up to a page that told me everything I need to know. This is a very vulnerable time in my life, okay? I was not in a good place. It was the start of COVID, so bear with me. This was on, what? It's hard to see, but it was on October 20th, 2020, 9:22 p.m. Yes, I date everything and I put the time to. I don't play no games. I gave myself some time to regain my confidence. I know I'm probably not done crying. I'm happy about who I am as a person, and I'm beginning to see myself 3 years in the future with my beautiful apartment slash condo slash house with just me, myself, and I. Y'all, it's 2023 and I'm in a condo on a lake in Florida. Tell me how. How did I get it down to the year, y'all? Why did I say 3 years in the future? I don't know. I wish I knew why I said 3 years. That is such a weird number. 3 years in the future. This is why I'm so grateful for where I'm at in my life, is because what? It works. It works. I was very low vibrational at that time. However, I still was able to understand that I'm still walking in my purpose. I'm still on that path I envision myself to be on. It don't matter how low you are, still write it down, still visualize it, still write your vision boards, do all of that. Steve Harvey said, if you don't have it written down, the chances of it happening reduces drastically. The Bible even says it. Write it down, make it plain, so that he who reads it will run to it. Even though it's hairy, means it takes a long time. Wait for it, for surely it will come at an appointed time. Shout out to Steve Harvey. And then after you write it down, do a little arts and crafts. Make you a vision board. This is my old vision board from 2023, and I have checked off a lot. I know y'all see those black checks. I know y'all see them black checks, okay? I checked off a lot. I have accomplished a lot, and I'm so beyond grateful. And the last thing, y'all, the last thing on the list, have faith. It just strengthens the resilience in you, you know? You feel so resilient. You feel like no one can stop you. It don't matter how bad it gets.
Real bad.
It just acts as a powerful motivator. That faith and that knowing that, hey, I'm gonna make it out of this. I always land on my feet after every obstacle. And that's on being blessed and highly favored. Yeah, y'all, I think I've covered everything. I hope it wasn't too much information and I got straight to the point. Be intentional, make a decision, check your energy, mind your business, write it down, visualize it, and then have faith. And I promise you, you will manifest that life you ain't think you could have. And I will try to come up with some more videos for y'all. I'm also going to do like a Q&A because I know I just kind of hopped into this whole YouTube thing and I never had these one-on-one videos. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video.